Alright, take 4, speed typing test. This time Dirk goes first on the Elan Z Corona. I better grab the watch so we can actually time the bloody thing.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll give you another 5-second countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Yokichi, come on! Okay, no, this like it has sticky keys.
Alright, that's weird though. Alright, well.
Yeah, F is sticking. And there's another one. I think a D or the S. Something was...
Alright, well I guess we're not going to use that one.
Yeah, your L sticks as well, look.
Not so much for going faster. Alright, well I guess I'll use another one. What brand would you like?
How about we take that Voss for a spin?
Oh! I thought you wanted to do speed typing.
Yeah, let's challenge ourselves.
Yeah, with a slow, pedantic machine, it types beautifully, but it is not a fast action.
Oh, that'll be fine. I'm gonna kind of let us with piles. What does your machine have? Oh, it has piles.
Alright. Good thing you'll